go through this one. Okay, based on aluminum hydroxide, run expression. Okay, for the soluble product of KSP or aluminum hydroxide. Can you work on this one first? We work out part by part so that I can so that you can follow me. Okay, part by part. Based on this one, come up with a KSP expression. Okay, so Craig, whenever they ask you to do this, right, we need to always write out the. So for A part 1, we must always write out the equilibrium equation. Very good. Can you help me out here? I'll just leave it there. It's okay. Peter, you help me out here. How to write the equation? AlOH3 solid reversible. Okay, this is a salt, right? When you dissociate, it gives you respective ions, right? So based on the formula, give me the ions and the coefficient. That's all. The rest continue.
Yeah.
Al3 plus OH minus, and the coefficient is 3. So based on this one, your chem equilibrium, right? When you have a mixture of 6 symbol, do we include solid in our expression? No. So KSP equals to Al3 plus times raised to the power of, okay, this answer for A part 1. Okay, the rest, you can move on, okay?
Testing, I have a question.
Sure.
For AlOH, right, since it says it's a very soluble salt, do we keep it as
what do you mean as?
Like solid?
Yes, solid. No, I'll keep it as solid.
So you can't keep it as aqueous?
No, the aqueous is only ions. That means for insoluble salt, okay, for sparingly soluble such as this one, right? Okay, we take it as we will still dissolve, but very little. Very little. That's why we have this. Of course, in O levels, we take it as insoluble. Now we call it sparingly soluble. Okay. Okay. Part 2. They give you the solubility. On top of the solubility, how many right now? Whenever you see this word, it represents concentration. Look at the units. You can tell already. Mole per dm cube. So I rephrase. The concentration of the salt in water is 1.75 times 10 to the power minus 5. Calculate KSP. Okay, so this is this value, right? So based on the ratio, we can find the concentration of the respective ions, right? So Al3 plus is the same as 1.75 times 10 to the power minus 5. Am I right? Okay, then we move on. OH minus will be, Sonia, you help me out here. What's the concentration of the hydroxide based on the ratio that you have written in the equation? And then this is 1:3. You times 3. Okay, so 3 times 1.75 times 10 to the power minus 5. So far, so good. Okay. Now we can put these two values into our KSP expression. So therefore, KSP of AlOH3 equals to 1.75 times 10 to the power minus 5 times 3 times 1.75 times 10 to the power minus 5. Remember to raise it to power 3 because my expressions have a 3 there. So to avoid not careful mistake, please follow my step-by-step strategy. Write out the KSP expression first. This is to help you to avoid not careful mistake. Because sometimes you didn't write expression, right? After you demonstrate here, you forgot to raise to the power.